Are you ready to change the way you think about putting practice forever? Introducing PUTTR, the world's first smart putting green. PUTTR is the ultimate portable putting experience that allows you to practice putting from almost anywhere. Featuring computer vision technology that tracks the line and speed of the ball in real time. 27 different putts from 3 to 11 feet allow you to practice while you play. Select from different practice routines, arcade-style games, and online tournaments. Connect and compete with your friends in person and online. Drive results through next-gen stats and track your progress. Efficient design allows for easy storage and portability. Get ready for an evolution in home putting. Start making more putts. Putt better. PUTTR.